integrate 2x plus 1 divided by 18 minus 4x minus x square dx. So this question we have to integrate. So in this question, if you see, numerator have linear function and denominator have quadratic function. Okay, so whenever there is linear by quadratic or linear into quadratic, this type of functions are there, then you can do one thing, that linear function that equals to a some constant. Okay, so that linear function equals to a, which is some constant, into derivative of the quadratic, into derivative of the quadratic plus b is another constant. This form you can write. Okay, so linear function can be written as a derivative of the quadratic plus b constant. This form we can write. Okay, so we wrote 2x plus 1, which is our linear, equals to a derivative of x square plus 4x minus 18. This is our quadratic. Okay, x square plus 4x minus quadratic. One thing only I took here, see this all here x square is negative. Okay, so I took negative sign common, so that negative sign I took out of the integration. So inside x square will be positive, 4x will be positive, and 18 will be negative. So this only I have written. Okay, x square keep always a positive form only. Okay, after that 2x plus 1 equals to a will be like that only, derivative of x square plus 4x minus 18, what it will be, 2x plus 4 only. Okay, plus 15 like that only. So 2x plus 1 is equals to, now multiply these two terms, means you have to multiply this a by first 2x, so it will be a into 2x, then a multiply by plus 4, so it is plus 4a only, plus b like that only. Now we have to compare the terms, we have to compare the coefficients to get the values of a and b, which are our constants. Okay, so to get the a b value, we'll compare here. So here you can see the coefficient of x is 2 here, and here coefficient of x is 2a. Okay, so 2a equal to 2 I can write. Left side coefficient of x is 2, and in the right side coefficient of x is a into 2, which is 2a. So 2 equals to 2a I can write down. So a value value will be 2 by 2, which is my 1. Okay, now if you compare the constant terms means which does not have any x variable. So if you see here 4a plus b, that full is our constant terms, and here constant term is 1. Constant terms means the terms which does not have any variables. So you can compare LHS with the RHS. So 4a plus b equals to 1. So now a value we have got, that value we can substitute here. So 4 into 1 plus b equals to 1. So b value will be 1 minus 4, which is minus 3. So we have got now a and b values. Okay, so our integration was minus sign I have taken common out. So 2x plus 1 by x square plus 4x minus 18 dx, this we have to integrate. So equals to minus sign is same as it is common out. Now see this linear function 2x plus 1, what we wrote, that equals to a into derivative of the denominator or quadratic plus b. Okay, so a value is 1, so 1 into a into derivative of the denominator. So we have got that 2x plus 4, that is the derivative of denominator, or you can say the quadratic, and plus b value we have got minus 3. Okay, so instead of this linear function 2x plus 1, you have to write the thing a into a value into derivative of the quadratic plus b value. Okay, and this denominator you just copy like that only. This denominator part, x square plus 4x minus 18, just copy like that only. After that we have to solve it further. So see the next step, minus sign is already common. So now we multiply 1 by 2x plus 4, you will get 2 by 2x plus 4 only, and this will give you minus 3 only. So now you can separate the terms. So 2x plus 4 by x square plus 4x minus 18, that means what I am saying this by this plus this by this we can write. No, we can separate the numerators. So that only I did, numerators I separated. So minus sign is this minus. Okay, and here plus, so it will be minus only, and here plus and here minus. So this will sorry, not plus, here it was plus, so plus into minus, actually here minus will give you, and this minus and this minus, they will give you here plus. Understood? No, here you got plus and minus, so final sign will be minus here, and one minus is outside, so final sign here you will get plus only. Okay, so after separating the terms, what you will get these two terms, this term plus this term. Okay, now we have to solve these two terms. Yeah, so after that Now see, if you see, it's a derivative. The denominator's derivative is in the numerator. So whenever derivative is in the numerator, okay, and the function is in the denominator, we can write log of that denominator. So minus is outside only, so log of x square plus 4x minus 18. What I mean to say, if in the integration we have derivative f of x by f of x, right, f dash x by f of x is the function and f dash x the derivative. So derivative in the numerator and denominator is the function, so we can write this thing as log of f of x. That only I wrote, okay. Log of the denominator we can write, so log of x square plus 4x minus 18, okay, and this minus sign like that only, plus. Now if you see this 3 is constant, okay, that we can take it out from the integral function, okay. This 3 now, from from this function you can take out that 3 outside only, okay. Now we have to solve 1 by x square, we have to solve integration 1 by x square plus 4x minus 18, okay. So this thing I have taken as I, because this will also take so many steps for solving this integration part, okay. So this long thing now, 3 I took common, and this part means 1 by x square plus 4x minus 18, that I have taken as I, so that I can separate solve my I, okay. So see, this I equals to 1 by x square plus 4x minus 18. Now first I will solve this integration. So when the denominator only quadratic we have, so we can use the completing the square method, okay. When in the numerator we have only constant and denominator we have the quadratic, so we can use the completing the square, okay. So for that what we will use, this x square I wrote like that only. So x square now plus, for completing the square, x square plus 2ab should be there. So 2 into a value is x only, b value what should I write, so that I can make 4x. So till now 2 into x means 2x I have made. So if I multiply by 2, I will get 4x, okay. This 4x I need to create. So I wrote plus 2x into 2, okay. So see, till now I did not change the question, okay. The question was x square plus 4x only. So that 4x only I wrote x square plus 2 into x into 2. Why I wrote? Because I have to make a plus b whole square formula. So my a square will be x square plus 2 into a into b. So 2 into x already I have, because a value is x. So 2 into a value is x into b value I have to create. So b value what should I do, so that this thing should be equals to this thing. Means 2 into x into what thing equals to 4x. Obviously 2 only, correct. So that's what I wrote this 2. Now see, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what my b was 2 only. So b square is 2 square. Now this thing only I extra added. What I extra added? This 2 square only I extra added. So I cannot change the question, okay. So I subtracted also. That means I am not changing the value of the question. 2 square only I did. So I subtracted 2 square. Now minus 18 I just copied like that only. So I did not change the value of the question, only the formation only. Because I have to make the completing the square, that's what I change the formation only, okay. Now see, if this thing you see, x square plus 2ab plus b square, it will give you a plus b whole square. So till now it will give you x plus 2 whole square. Now what is left? Minus 2 square, which is minus 4, and minus 18 will be like that only, equals to 1 by x plus 2 whole square minus 4 minus 18 will give you minus 22. Now we have to create the formula 1 by x square minus a square, okay. So integration we have this formula 1 by x square minus a square is equals to 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a plus c. This formula we have to apply, okay. So this function is can be considered as x square. Now this we have to create a square. So I wrote root 22 whole square, because 22 only, no. So 22 I can write root 22 whole square, because I have to create x square minus a square. X will behave now here x plus 2 and a will be root 22. So this formula we have to apply. Integration of 1 by x square minus a square will be 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a, okay. So see that this thing we have to solve, equals to Now here if you see, instead of x, x plus 2 is there. Okay, so 1 by 2a, 1 by 2 into a value is what? A value here root 22, because see, if you compare with a square, here root 22 square is there, so a value will be root 22. So 1 by 2a means 1 by root into 1 by 2 into root 22 log. Log I forgot here, I have to put here log. Okay, yeah, so log, then x plus a. So what is my x here? X is my, here x plus 2, here x square, but here x plus 2 whole square. So what is my x? X is here x plus 2. So wherever x has come, I have to replace with x plus 2 only. So x I replaced with x plus 2. Then minus a. Minus a means minus root 22. Okay, after that in the denominator again x, so instead of x again x plus 2, then plus a means plus root 22. Like this we have to do our represent our question. After that, one second, so here I have put log. Okay, I'll write with a black pen. Yeah, log. Okay, yeah, so from so we solved this. Okay, so in that I part we have solved. Now okay, I part we have solved. Here we got our answer for the I part. So now here we have to put the values. See, this is our first, this was our equation where we have supposed that I, let me tell you. Yeah, this is our first equation. Okay, so minus log x square plus 4x minus 18 plus 3 into I. So I, that value we have just got, no, that value we have to put. So final answer will be minus log x square plus 4x minus 18, this thing I have copied like that only, plus 3 into now this value, 3 into this I value. I value is 1 by 2 into root 22 log will also come here, log x plus 2 minus root 22 by x plus 2 plus root 22, here plus and plus c. Okay, so this is our final answer. Thank you.